Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your remote, reconnect it, or disconnect it from your TV. So if you are having a lot of issues with it, simply try taking out the batteries and just turn off the remote and then reconnect it. And you should be able to just reset it that way, but there is a combination of the buttons that you can press to disconnect it completely from the TV. So I can see my remote is on, the batteries are placed in correctly. Now hit the home button and the back button at the same time. So let's press both of these down, these two buttons, back and home, and let's press them down at the same time. And after about 5 seconds, the remote should reset and it should tell you on the TV. Remote registration is disconnected. Then please press the OK wheel to reconnect. So you get this little scrolly wheel right here that goes up and down. And you want to press it in, just click it in, and it should allow you to reconnect it to your TV. So very simple. Let's click it in. So click it in and it should be immediate. It says registering new magic remote at the bottom and it says it's ready to go. And you can see I have the cursor on the screen now. I'm able to go up and down, left and right, and click on things. So I should be good to go. Hopefully this does fix your magic remote. If it did, please leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.